Hey guys, how's it going? It's a Pocket back to a product review video, but this is going to be a complete different video of what I normally do. In this video, I'm just going to show you two cool products which I got, which are great to decorate your room. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have a 3D printed dinosaur egg lamp, and here we have a string of lights which is battery operated. That means that you don't have to plug it in order to make it work. The reason why I like this product is because you have a remote in order to control them. So if you're on distance, you can use a remote in order to turn them off, or perhaps change the lighting strobe, or perhaps, especially in the dinosaur egg lamp, you can change the color as well, and you can change also the colors automatically. So this is a great feature about these two products, and that's why I will recommend them to you. This one costs £20 and this is £13 from Amazon. So not very expensive if you consider that you have a remote in order to control them. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these two products. So let's go ahead and start with the dinosaur egg lamp because this is pretty much which drives most attention to this video. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Also, please be careful while opening this box because the haystack and the wooden base is also included, and the haystack can be messy. So please make sure to be careful while taking things out of the box. So this is the egg. So this is how the egg looks like. And let's see what else is in the box. You also have the remote. So that's the one which I was talking about. So you can use this remote in order to control the light. Next, you have the charging cable, which is used to charge the egg. Please make sure to charge it once you take out of the box because it's not likely to have any battery left. It's going to take around 1 to 2 hours to charge. And here also you have the haystack, and also, so actually, let me actually take off the base first. Let's actually make the base first and then put the haystack on it to avoid making some mess. So this is how you make the base. So you put those together in like that. And then you take the other piece and then you put it like that. And then you put it that way. And there you go. Okay, and you place it like that. And then you have the haystack. And again, a haystack can make some mess. So please be aware of that. So you have to... and you put it like that. All done. Please make sure while you put the haystack on the base to prevent the base to be visible. Okay, so now let's go ahead and use the remote to turn it on. So press on the on button, and as you can see, the egg now is going to shuffle through all the colors. So let's go ahead and turn off the light and see it in action. Okay, so the view is much better now. So please notice the cracks on the egg, which makes it a lot more realistic. The top left buttons are going to decrease and increase the brightness of the light. All the different colorful buttons on the remote indicating all the possible colors. On the side you have 4 buttons, the first one being flash, which shuffles through all the possible colors. Next being strobe, which only shuffles through red, green and blue. Next, fade, which only turns on and off the white color with a fade effect. And lastly, smooth, which shuffles through all the colors with a smooth transition from one to another. Lastly, if you tap on the bottom of the egg, it's going to turn on, and it's going to start with a color of red. If you keep tapping on it, it's going to keep shuffling through all the colors, and eventually it's going to turn off. Long touching the bottom is going to turn it off. Great feature if you don't want to use your remote to turn it on, or perhaps the batteries from the remote have died. In the end, I like this egg. Despite it's not meant to be used to do your homework at night, but it's great for decoration, and I like the fact that you can use a controller to change the light, change the effect of the lights, and of course the texture, making it a lot more realistic. Okay, so now let's move on to the other product, which is the string lights. Now this is pretty much more for Christmas decorating and sort of stuff. So let's see what is in the box. So again, this uses a remote control in order to control it. And here we have lights. So here are all the lights. So this is actually 20 meters. So there are plenty of those in here. And of course they are operated by batteries. Unfortunately, this is not rechargeable, unfortunately, but you can keep changing the batteries. And here you have the remote control. So we're going to go through what all this means in a second. So you have a user guide on the bottom. And now you also need 3 AA batteries. So I have them here. So let's plug them in. So 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, the light lit on. And I'm going to show you how you can use the remote. So let's take it off the plastic first. Okay, so here you have the off button, which is going to turn off the lights, and the on button, which is going to turn them on again. The buttons ranging from 1 till 8, indicating the different effects of the lights. Also, you can change the effect by pressing the minus button in order to go to the previous effect, or the plus button in order to go to the next one. The dim buttons on the bottom are used to decrease and increase the brightness. Next are the 4 grey buttons on the right, indicating for how many hours the lights are going to be lit until they're going to turn off automatically. So for example, the 2H indicating that the lights are going to be on for 2 hours and then switch off, 4H, 4 hours, then switch off, etc, etc. If you wish to cancel the timer, then press on the timer off button located between the on and off button. And that's pretty much what the controller can do. Now if you want to unfold it, then you can find the edge, which is this one, and then you can unfold it, and then you can go ahead and decorate it around your window or your objects in your room, or perhaps outside your house. And that pretty much brings to the end of this video. So I hope you like these products, and please go ahead and let me know whether you're a dinosaur lover, do you like these products, and what do you plan to do with them if you buy them, which again the links are down in the description. So please let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video. Share this video with your friends to let them know about some good products to decorate their rooms. And the most important, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it in order to get notifications on every video we upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you in my next video.